I'm now going to remove the other bolt screws, which are over here, which mount the pump to the cylinder block. Hopefully the whole assembly will just come out. One. And I believe here's one more. Is this it? Yes. That does feel like the last one. Okay, this one's longer than the others. So two are exactly the same size and one is longer. The one on this far side is longer. Okay, and I think I can just take this out. Yep. Okay, I'm going to set these aside because who knows how many screws. I might lose some screws when I take it to the cylinder shop, to the machine shop.